There are many opinions and criticism. After Indian Air Force failure and indigenous fighter jet programs, decades of delays. From Rafale source code to GE 414 delays, immense pressures building on Indian government. Indian government recently signed an MOU for license built for French Safran M88 engines fitted in Rafales, now selected for Indian 5th generation AMCA, and Taj's Mk2, Indian experts, questioning about future of indigenous Kaveri engine whom Indian government invested billions in this project with no results. The Kaveri engine is an indigenously developed fighter jet engine project by India's Gas Turbine Research Establishment, GTRE, under the Defence Research and Development Organisation, DRDO. It is used to power light combat aircraft, LCA, and reduce dependency on foreign jet engines. It is a low bypass, twin-spool turbofan engine with 80 kilonewtons thrust. The Kaveri project kicked off in India in the 1980s to power India's homegrown fighter aircraft Tekis. The engine features a flat-rated design to minimize thrust loss under high-speed and high-temperature conditions, and incorporates a twin-lane full-authority digital engine control (FADEC) system with a manual override for enhanced reliability. The engine had to be delinked from Tekis in 2008 over technical challenges including its inability to achieve required thrust-to-weight ratio, shortcomings in high-temperature metallurgy and issues in afterburner performance and reliability. With Kaveri engine not meeting the requirements for the Tekis Mk1, the fighter aircraft had to powered by American-made GE F404 engine. Before GE F404 engines, Indian Air Force also evaluated Russian RD-33, used in MiG-29 but rejected due to less thrust, heavy smoke emissions, and limited flying hours. Apart from the technical challenges, India also lacked testing facilities for such engines. India has to rely on Russia for testing Kaveri engine, leading to scheduling delays and limited flexibility. In its initial phase, India tried to develop Kaveri engine indigenously, without foreign help. This delayed international collaborations, like one with France's Snecma, Safran, that came in too late. The Kaveri engine project also faced delays in decision-making, lack of industry coordination, budget limitations and inefficient project management. According to reports, the Kaveri engine is undergoing flight tests in Russia, with approximately 25 hours of testing remaining. These trials are crucial for evaluating the engine's performance in real-world conditions. The engine is now being repurposed to power India's indigenous long-range unmanned combat aerial vehicles, UCAVs, like the Gartic stealth drone. The renewed interest in Kaveri engine on social media comes after India used UAVs to successfully destroy terror camps in Pakistan. Godrej Aerospace has delivered the first 2 modules of the Kaveri derivative engine, KDE, with 6 more expected by August 2025. Additionally, Azad Engineering has also been contracted to produce advanced turbo gas generators, supporting various defense applications. Kaveri 2.0 is also in the pipeline, aiming to replace the GE F404 engines in the Tekis Mk1A during its mid-life upgrade post-2035. The GTRE has reportedly sought funds for this 90 kilonewtons thrust variant. Meanwhile, the Indian Navy has also collaborated with GTRE to adapt the Kaveri jet engine for maritime applications through the development of the Kaveri Marine Gas Turbine, KMGT, to power small warships. The engine has undergone successful trials at the Indian Navy's Marine Gas Turbine Test Bed Facility in Visakhapatnam, showcasing its potential for naval applications. Efforts are also underway to increase the KMGT's power output beyond 12 megawatts to meet the requirements of larger naval vessels. India will receive American F404 engines to power Taj's Mk1 and GE F414 for Taj's Mk2, delays affecting production, but Indians are very eager to develop her own local engine. If India succeeded in this endeavor, would not only reduce dependence on foreign engines but also bolster the country's capabilities in developing advanced aerospace platforms.